what a perfect setting. My candy bouquets and my Go Lightly with my chaser of Dr. Pepper. Time for yet another drink. Okay. Feeling quite bloated. Sort of yucky. Having a hard time finishing this one. I notice a slimy feeling to this. Ugh. Okay, that's gone. Ugh. Oh yeah, wish I could be having some candy, but it's not happening. That's how I feel. Like that dude right there. Okay. Or maybe this dude. No, because I'm not smiling right now.